very interesting that we have, thanks to the way the sun is working with the blinds, we have this sunlit beating heart because of the way the wind is blowing and the reflections from the I guess it's the leaves on the vine. Those lines that are going through there are the slats in the blinds. And the way the sun is working with the hanging leaves on the rest of the porch, we're getting this sense of a beating heart. Wow, that is very, very interesting. I guess this is the world's way or nature's way of saying that she loves the idea that we will have a new president in about 26 hours. I'm curious what your take is on this. Anyway, there it is, right there in the living room. And then you can see outside how the leaves are blowing back and forth, and we've got the blinds like that. Anyway, what are the chances of getting a beating heart? Huh? Amazing.